Are you ready to get started in real estate without having to put any money down? I know you've heard the saying before, you have to spend money to make money. Well, for this video, throw that idea out the window. Today, I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can get an infinite return on your investment. Because guess what? There is no investment. I know you're going to love this video, so make sure to like it and hit the subscribe button down below with the notification bell. How is it humanly possible to make money with no money? Well, in real estate, it's very possible. Let's get to the 4 ways. The first way is wholesaling. Do you remember that kid on the playground? They were the one that was always getting a toy or lunch or a candy for free from mom and then turning it around, selling it for a profit to you for cheap. You were happy because you got what you wanted for a low price. They were happy because they got a profit. And that really is what wholesaling is. The only difference is it's in real estate. Wholesaling's actually been pretty popular in real estate for a number of years now, and it's no surprise why. It's free to do. So here's how it works. First, you find a distressed homeowner who is struggling to sell their home. Next, by helping them out, you negotiate a price that works for both you and the seller. And after they accept, you market that contract to your cash buyers list for an inflated price so that you make a profit. Essentially, you're the middleman between the seller and the future buyer. I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, Kyle, how is this any different than being a real estate agent? Well, it's really not. The only difference is that it's less paperwork, so that's a good thing, and you actually get to name what you want for your price. So you're controlling what your commission is. So honestly, it's better. Most wholesalers are very happy with a $5,000 to $20,000 profit on each transaction, but I've actually met people that have made as much as $400,000 on one single transaction. So if you think wholesaling is the way to go for you, I've got a nice surprise for you. Check out this video right here that will help you to get more educated about wholesaling. Option 2, you can raise the money. That's right, you just go out and start asking for money. That can fund deals that you're gonna flip, that you're gonna hold for rentals, just about anything real estate related, you can raise the money. Now this might sound a little bit intimidating, especially if you've never done that before or if you're really uncomfortable asking for money. Let me help you with a little bit of a mind shift here. Your friend, your family member, your neighbor, whoever it is, they've got money sitting in the bank, it's collecting dust, it might be growing at 0.5% if they're lucky. Why not help them bring that money into one of your projects, fund it, and get an 8 to 12% return on their money? It's a win-win all the way around. And guess what? I've got another video for you that will help you be more confident in asking people for private money. Check it out right up here. The third way, you know those promotional credit cards that you get in the mail that say 0% interest? What do? If you're like me, if you're like anyone, probably think it's a scam, you throw it away. Well, guess what? Those can be credit cards that you can use to fund your projects. So let's use a scenario. Let's say you need $150,000 purchase price plus rehab to fix a house. You get $100,000 in private money, and then you need another $50,000. Credit cards are a great way to go. 0% interest for that first year, use it for the $50,000, fund your project, the rehab portion of it, and then by the time it sells, maybe it's taken, 3 or 4 months since the day that you actually put that charge on the card, you've paid it off and you've got your profit. So maybe the next time you get one of those cards in the mail, you might not throw it away that quickly. And the 4th and final way, my personal favorite, house hacking. These are for people who either already A, own a home, or B, have permission to be able to rent out a room or unit on the lot. I'll give you a story. When I first started house hacking, it was the very first home I ever bought. It was 4 bedrooms and I had 2 roommates. So me plus 2 others, that's 3 people occupying 4 rooms. I love the fact that they were paying down half my mortgage with their rent. What I didn't like was that I had a 4th room that wasn't being used. I wasn't maximizing the space. So I had a choice to make, either get a new roommate or go the route of Airbnb. I chose Airbnb, and I'm happy to say because of that decision, I have not paid a single dollar on my rent or my mortgage since 2015. So if you like the idea of not having to pay a single dollar on your mortgage, you are definitely going to want to check out my house hacking video where I go more in depth on house hacking and Airbnb. So there's your 4 ways. I hope I've helped you see the light that you don't need any money to get started in this awesome business of real estate investing. And if you love this video, you're gonna love the gift I have for you down below in the description. If you still have questions, make sure to comment down below. I will get to answering your questions, and I would love to know what else you want to learn about real estate investing. Run wild with one of these methods, and soon you will be conquering real estate investing.